Welcome to today's video, where we're going to dive into the world of PostgreSQL database management. If you're working with large datasets or complex queries, understanding how your data is stored and organized on disk can be a game changer for optimizing performance. In this video, we'll explore how to use the heap page item function to inspect pages in Postgres and identify potential issues with unorganized data. As developers and database administrators, it's essential to have a solid understanding of how our databases store and retrieve data. By examining the contents of individual pages on disk, we can gain insights into the inner workings of our database and make informed decisions about indexing, caching, and other performance-critical factors. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what heap page item reveals about page organization and how to interpret its output. So, let's start with the basics. Well, when you execute a query in Postgres, the database engine needs to locate the relevant data on disk. This is done by breaking down the data into smaller chunks called pages, which are typically 8 KB or 16 KB in size. Each page contains a collection of tuples, also known as rows, that make up your table. Now, when you use heap page item to inspect a page, you'll see a detailed breakdown of its content. The output includes information about the page's header, which contains metadata like the page number and the number of tuples it holds. You'll also see details about each tuple itself, including its position on the page, the length of the tuple in bytes, and whether it's been marked as deleted or not. One common issue that heap page item can help you identify is unorganized data. When tuples are inserted, updated, or deleted randomly, they can become scattered across different pages or even within the same page. This fragmentation can lead to slower query performance, increased storage usage, and a higher risk of data corruption. Let's consider an example. Suppose we have a table with a large number of rows, each containing a mix of fixed length and variable length columns. We insert new rows randomly throughout the day without any particular ordering or clustering strategy in place. It's likely that our tuples will become scattered across multiple pages. This can result in slower query performance due to increased page fetches and disk I/O. To summarize, heap page item provides a powerful tool for inspecting the contents of individual pages in Postgres. By examining its output, you can gain insights into tuple organization and identify potential issues with unorganized data. From this video included the importance of understanding how your data is stored on disk, how heap page item works and what information it provides, common signs of unorganized data, including fragmentation and scattering. In using heap page item to inspect page contents can be a valuable technique for optimizing performance in Postgres. By understanding how your tuples are organized on disk, you can make informed decisions about indexing, caching, and other critical factors that impact query speed. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please don't hesitate to ask in the section below. Your feedback is invaluable in helping us create more informative content for our community. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more database-related videos.